All right, I'm back on the face of the mountain, man. Hopefully I can finish it today. I'm going to tell you right now that I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I've got an appointment at the VA tomorrow in Bozeman. So just letting you know that I won't be here tomorrow. Let me tell you, working this small is extremely fun. It really is. You got to be careful. You breathe too deeply, and you can really screw it up. But I'm liking what's happening right now with the eyes. Now, if I just don't foul it up, it'll be good. Okay, I'm just going to hit the eyes a little lighter fluid. I just want to get that smoothed out a little bit. I like the eyes. I don't know, I have to live with them overnight or over the next couple of days. I'm happy with the face. I dare say I think this face is turning out better than the last one. I'll detail these ears tomorrow, or Thursday. All right, I like that. It looks pretty good. The eyes are level with each other. The mood in the eyes looks good. I'll add a beard onto this at some point. Not sure exactly when. Before I put it on him, or after I put it on him, I'm not sure. All right, I've got the head positioned the way I want it. He's looking right at her, and so now I'm going to reattach him to this and start working on his the rest of his body. After I get his neck worked out, I can't proceed with this clay until I get the head back on. So I had to lower the sculpting stand so I could get to the level of the face. And I'm just going to rough in the neck right now. And the shoulders. Now I feel a little more comfortable to work on his hair and his beard. But I'm not going to do those until I get further along on the clothing. So that's where I'll pick it up on Thursday. And yeah, I'm liking this face a lot. It really did turn out good. All right, everybody. See you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.